Video, I'm showing you how you can adjust the speed of your video if you are editing on the edit app by Instagram. So it's simple and easy. Just select the video. Ideally, you're not going to speed up the entire video, but let's say you want to speed up the entire video. Select the video on the track. You see the speed here, adjust it. You see the video has become shorter, but then when I make it slower, the video is going to be a bit longer. So that's it. So let me bring it to the normal speed, which is okay, which is I think 1. Yeah, so now that's it. So let's say you want to speed up a particular part of the video. So now let's slide here, and now we tap on this the split here, and then we select the side we splitted, and now we select that part. We tap on the speed here, and we try to speed that part. So just like you can see, when I speed it, the video is going to be shorter. When I make it slower, it's going to be longer. So that's it. Simple and easy on how you can adjust the speed of a part of a video or your entire video when you're editing on the edit app by Instagram. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.